Turn the literature novel below into a teaching video for students between ages 14 and 16. Explanatory and comprehensive note on So the Path Does Not Die. Overview. Author, Heidi Zubairu. Genre, novel published. Provide the publication date if available. Setting. The novel is set in a contemporary African society, exploring the interplay between cultural traditions and modern challenges. Themes 1. Cultural identity and heritage. The novel delves into the importance of preserving cultural identity amid globalization and change. Characters struggle to maintain their traditions while navigating the contemporary world, highlighting the tension between old and new values. 2. Resilience and the human spirit. The protagonists demonstrate resilience in the face of adversity, symbolizing the enduring strength of the human spirit. The narrative illustrates how individuals cope with personal and societal challenges. 3. Conflict and identity. The characters face internal and external conflicts that challenge their sense of self. The narrative portrays the complexity of identity formation in a rapidly changing world. 4. Social issues. The novel addresses various social issues, including poverty, education, gender roles, and familial relationships. These themes are woven into the characters' experiences, emphasizing the realities faced by many individuals in society. Plot summary. So the Path Does Not Die follows the journey of its main character. Name can vary based on the specific narrative, as they navigate the complexities of life in a contemporary African setting. The protagonist grapples with their cultural identity, attempting to reconcile the traditional values instilled by family and community with the pressures and expectations of modern life. As the story unfolds, the character encounters various trials which include family conflicts, struggles with parental expectations, and the weight of familial tradition. Societal pressures, engaging with friends and peers who embrace modernity, leading to feelings of alienation. Personal growth, experiences that shape the protagonist's outlook, leading to moments of insight and self-discovery. Throughout these experiences, the protagonist reflects on their path, represented metaphorically as a journey through life. The culmination of the narrative emphasizes the notion that, despite challenges, the path of cultural identity and personal integrity never truly dies. Character analysis 1. Main character, protagonist. Description. The protagonist is portrayed as introspective, torn between tradition and modernity. Character arc. Throughout the novel, they experience significant growth, learning to embrace their heritage while adapting to new influences. Symbolism. Represents the collective experience of individuals grappling with cultural identities amidst societal changes. 2. Supporting characters, family members, represent traditional values and expectations, often causing friction with the protagonist. Friends, peers, embody modern ideologies and often challenge the protagonist's views, providing additional layers to the exploration of identity. Community figures offer perspectives on cultural legacy, emphasizing the importance of community and heritage. Literary techniques 1. Symbolism. The path serves as a central metaphor, symbolizing the journey of life, cultural identity, and the enduring nature of traditions. Other symbols throughout the narrative may include objects or practices that hold cultural significance. 2. Narrative style. The author blends realism with elements of folklore, creating a narrative rich with cultural references and insights. The prose may include direct dialogue that reflects the characters' cultural backgrounds and emotional states. 3. Imagery. Vivid descriptions of the setting evoke the cultural landscape, enhancing the reader's connection to the characters' experiences. The use of sensory details helps paint a picture of traditional practices and modern influences interacting. 4. Internal monologue. The protagonist's thoughts often reveal their internal conflicts, allowing readers to connect deeply with their emotional journey and struggles. Conclusion. So the Path Does Not Die offers a profound exploration of cultural identity, resilience, and personal growth in the face of modern challenges. Through its rich characters and intricate narrative, the novel invites readers to reflect on their own identities and the importance of preserving cultural heritage while navigating an ever-changing world. The universal themes resonate beyond specific cultural contexts, making it a significant work for readers seeking to understand the complexities of identity in contemporary society.